Hi everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to print the number that is entered by the user in C++. So this is going to be one of the most simplest programming videos I've ever done. So let's get started. So first we will be beginning by including the header files. So it's going to be #include iostream and using namespace std. Next one is going to be int main. Alright. So first we will be having a print statement just saying text enter the number. Okay, so for that we will be using cout, which is the print statement in C++, enter a number. Okay, let's just have this and let's just put endl to have it in the new line. Okay, and we will be storing that number in a variable. Okay, so let me just have int n, and for getting the number as an input we need to use cn, which is the input statement in C++, cn. So now after we have got that number, we need to just print that number. Okay. So I'll just go and type cout the number is, and you can just have something, and after that you have to have the number n. That's it. I will save it and run it. I will go with 100 and I'll be getting the number is 100. So do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in C++, Python, MongoDB, MySQL queries, Java, etc. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.